Hello there. Let me explain to you the materials that we're using today. We're going to use the DecoArt Pouring medium. The cups also have, all of them has, except this one, has the Satin Enamel Pure White. This one is primary cyan only with the pouring medium. Then the other ones all get the Satin Enamel plus the pouring medium. Let me tell you about the colors. This one is the Titanium White plus the Satin Enamel. Hansa Yellow Light plus the Satin Enamel Pure White. Cadmium Orange Hue plus the Satin Enamel Pure White. Primary Cyan plus the Satin Enamel Pure White. Cobalt Turquoise Hue plus the Satin Enamel Pure White. Primary Magenta plus the Satin Enamel Pure White. So let's get started. Oh, pretty. I like that center. Let's leave it in here. So I don't like that corner. You have to go, even though it's a pretty color. It is not pretty. I have to move it that way. Okay. Put it back. I think this turned out very, very pretty. Very pretty. There's a certain softness and calmness to this. This way or this way. I think it looks pretty either this way or this way.